Welcome back to Aside Hot, on top of the senior brother for the television station when they inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezugu Chukwudi and our Ogbonge investigative journalist, Oga Yemi Olakitan, they inside studio. And we discuss all of the action to the way happen inside Obodo, Nigeria over the weekend. I know say some people go look now and say, where Uncle be there? I talk when the show starts. Uncle be don't travel, go start mango business for village. He go get some time when we say when the mango begin to grow, he go come back, more continue to discuss the matter as it is hot. Oga Yemi, make I quickly review some of these stories sharp. Then we go just do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and move on. The first one we'll discuss now the statement when we say the talk person of the APC, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, come out talk say 56 billion US dollars, that is 11.02 trillion. Now the government of Oga Jonah now in the chop when nobody feel account for. The second one get to do with the one when we say President Muhammadu Buhari come and talk say he wants judges when we say they know they look face, they know they fear anybody. They go sit down for court. All the people in chop Nigeria money, they go put them inside prison and we will collect our money back. The third one na Ekiti governor Ayodele Fayose when come and talk say he not they fear anybody, he go continue to they talk through. Make President Muhammadu Buhari beware the kind of people who surround them and say don't check the government of President Muhammadu Buhari. Say it's nothing to write home about because now only intimidation and harassment of opposition people now in the government they do. The fourth one get to do with the promise when we say the United States of America don't come at us say they go send some kind instrument enter inside Nigeria to help us use fight Boko Haram Jaguda people and pursue them come off our country. And the fifth one are the small fight and quarrel when don't they happen inside the House of Reps over position. We don't end the sixth and the seventh story when get to do with the army and the people when we say they don't put some kind of accuse for their head, they won't review the case, and the one when we say Abubakar Shekau they release audio. Okay, we could start with the fifth story. The small fight when they talk say some people they fight inside the House of Reps over to sit down as the Oga of some kind of committee. It gets one. The committee when get to do with oil matter. Somebody come and talk say during the campaign to become speaker, say they promise am say if you and your people support us, now you go sit down here. Say waiting on the scene and no be waiting be, and he no go agree because agreement is agreement. Not be even that one be the issue. The issue now say share time never reach for us to just face our work. Make the House of Reps, then they give us the law. We're going to move this our country forward. Considering the fact that we need them to work in tandem, I go speak English, to work in pari passu with the president to move this country forward.
You see, now the truth you talk, now the thing where you talk with that. You know, if you want kill Malu, now for neck, then they put the knife. You don't put the knife for the correct place. Time don't rush. Because these people, then don't they plan for this thing for a long time. Then they suppose don't get the agenda. Immediately they enter, but then they roll the thing. But waiting with they look like now, I never see any sign of change.
No, but the problem now, not be say, not be just only APC members. So you know, say when he reach the House of Representatives, everybody they think of themselves first before they even think of the political party. This one get to do with all of them.
I know.
So from this your talk, it be like say you won't blame one people.
No. Be say I won't blame one people. You see, the people where they government, where they majority for that house, no be APC.
APC.
You see, now waiting with they call politics be this. And some people don't coin politics, don't call them politricks. If you look at where. Then go tell you, say, if you do certain thing, do this. Now you go get certain position.
Very true. I beg, you go hold that information. We get Oga Michael. They call us from Yaba. We don't know whether na left or na right. So now he make us go take this call.
Okay.
Oga Michael, good morning, sir.
Hello, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
Good morning. How una dey?
We dey fine. It be like say you go increase your voice more, we hear you well.
Okay. How una dey?
We dey fine, Oga Michael. Greet our Ogbonge visitor.
Good morning, Mr. Yemi.
Thank you, Oga Michael.
Today, Uncle Benode.
Go village, go start mango business.
Okay. I say I contribute for this talk today.
I beg, chook mouth inside.
Before I go start, I go like I want to make one observation in the area of that young test. You see, journalists, it don't be like referee for match. They say if they play match, you go hold whistle, they blow against any incident or any foul or anything will happen. You know, that is the work of journalism and neutrality. You must be neutral. You must not be one-sided or biased or whatever. But for me, what I look for this year, guests, up to now, they try to still assess to convince myself. If truly in the exhibits
Okay,
the work of that investigative journalism, or they do partisan journalism or agent journalism, because for me, my own observation, I don't see as anything neutral for this particular matter when they talk. Then other aspect again where I want to talk, this issue of this military, where they say they run dismiss. I don't think it is right for the organ when they dismiss those military when they dismiss. Because in the rule of engagement for battlefield, when there is a platoon commander in any operation, if the platoon commander carry in soldiers go put for wrong hand and then finish them, for that instantly the court martial, military court martial go court martial and say now the failure of the platoon commander, that is, he lacks that capacity. He doesn't have, he no get that knowledge. Why go carry in soldiers in troop? Go put for an enemy hand and finish it.
Very true.
So if actually the soldiers refuse to take order that particular time, that is, they have to change the commandant who carry or the platoon commandant or the person the command who they command in that particular for that battlefield. But I don't know whether the military do that or they decide to use the other rank as escape goods, which is not supposed to be so.
Oga Michael, thank you very much. You don't make very, very important point. Oga Michael, they try talk say they're supposed to hold the Oga them responsible. Rather than using the people when they under them as sacrifice. Because if you go carry soldier, when we say you honor to fight for the defense of your country, just put them for the line of fire and I trouble you, they put them so.
No, they're not.
Make I call him my namesake. His name na Chukwudi.
Okay.
Oga Chukwudi from Owerri. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Odayemi.
Good morning.
Honestly, I never see bias for what Odayemi they talk. If they're straightforward.
Okay.
Thank you, my brother.
But the first day you be referee, you dey blow whistle for match. One team continue the commit foul. You don't go to blow the whistle.
Not true.
You go to blow whistle now. If the other team no one sit up, if they keep committing foul, you go to blow foul. So you go to blow. You go to say they touch her. Not be he go talk true. If true now one side he remain. Go just talk him as it be. Make it not just say okay. This people never say. Make I say one thing for them. No. Now, for the other matter we concern Oga Lai Mohammed, make we not take Oga Lai Mohammed serious for this country. We don't play politics fin comot. Now na business of governance. And Oga Lai Mohammed no be Minister of Information.
Okay.
He no be President spokesman.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
He no go to release information from government. If government get channel where they take comot issues, it no be EFCC, it no be ICPC. How Ingo they release information from government? We don't play politics for the time we play. Now, na business of governance.
But Oga Chukwudi, you don't think say the information when we say
now make government.
Oga Chukwudi, you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
You don't think say the information when we say Alhaji Lai Mohammed they release now because of say that position when he get access to all this information.
Oga Chukwudi.
Sir.
No be party we dey talk about now. Now governance.
Okay.
Governance is supersede party. Governance, as Oga Buhari there on top, he gets channel, Minister of Information, he gets spokesman. We go to release information.
True.
Where to Oga Lai Mohammed be now party spokesman, party publicity secretary.
True.
Not be federal government Minister of Information or spokesman for the president. You know they release sensitive information for government. My brother, you get that TV. For the other one, we concern military support where America won't give. My brother, nothing that bad. If I choose to support you as a person, I will support you. If I choose to support Oga Yemi as a person, I will support you. You know me say anything there behind that. Maybe now the person where they feel work with be that. So that was not to me.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much. You don't make very, very important points. Oga Yemi, you go see say from the score when they don't release. Now 1-1 now. Somebody be come out and say the way you they talk or you be like say you they blow the whistle somehow. But Oga Chukwudi don't stand for your back say you even be like Fayose because now the truth you they talk in black and white.
I agree with that.
You agree because now you make we take Oga Sam make him settle the quarrel. Oga Sam from Ikotun. Good morning, sir. Hey, Oga Sam. And Oga Sam they always they pray for us.
Good morning, Ezugo Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
He did there.
at the heart where I see for my screen every morning.
Thank you very much, sir.
Because you are speaking the minds of the youth of this country.
Thank you very much, sir.
I salute you, Mr. Yemi.
Thank you, sir.
Sit down there. Make you tell these old people the truth.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I'm in the class of 60s, and I see myself saying that I have fought for the battle you are fighting right now. See, the issue of Lai Mohammed is overblown politics out of proportion.
Yeah.
Because there is a government in place now, and as he says, spokesman of the party is supposed to be silent. Let Buhari appoint Minister for Information who will speak on behalf of Buhari, otherwise the personal assistant on the SSA on media should speak. That is on account of Lai Mohammed. Then the issue of members of the House of Assembly clamoring for position is because of their investment as individuals. They want to recoup it so that they don't care whether President Buhari is in government or not. Any bill he wants to pass, if he wants their support, he will pay for it. Otherwise, they will not give him yes. Then, in the case of the military, the military should try back those who have one way or the other ahead, because justice must be done. The military as an institution, they're not supposed to be corrupt.
Very true.
Then the case of the judiciary, we are looking at people like Professor Isage. We are looking at people like lots of jurists who are very credible. Let them now form the committee and probe every Nigerian, starting from the era of IBB. The beginning of corruption is IBB. Let them try him. So the present Jonathan's government, we will see the loot they have loot in this country is enormous. That if they turn it back, the country will be rehabilitated, and the roads, the health sector, the education sector will be brought to the level where we will be very, very comfortable in this country. May God bless Nigeria. Good morning.
Oga Sam.
Thank you.
Okay, Oga Sam, no, but Oga Sam, if you dey watch, I beg, call us back when the show end. Make you drop your number, and we get one special package for you from last week. But it be like say we want to confirm that your number again. Make it for no cause quarrel. Okay, you don't hear all the points where people they drop.
I don't hear the
gather
points.
From Ikotu, make we go Abuja. Collect this call from Jehu. Oga Jehu, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi. I greet you.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Olaita, I greet you.
Thank you, my brother.
Uncle will not come today.
He go village, go start mango business.
Okay. As for the issue of Lai Mohammed, I hear somebody they talk say Lai Mohammed not supposed to talk all those kind. Not supposed to mention what they mentioned.
You hear
in
that
this
well.
country, we have suffered from corruption, from time immemorial. So I think we need to encourage more whistleblowers. Maybe more they encourage people to blow whistle, so that when they blow the whistle, the only thing we will be left to do now is to investigate. But don't be saying we will try to discourage people when they blow whistle. If Lai Mohammed say PDP is still by 11 trillion naira. From our treasury. That's a big. That money can build a city. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So if they say it's a lie, then they should prove him wrong. I think that's why we must encourage people that are whistleblowers. Maybe more they encourage them. Maybe they blow whistle.
But Oga Jehu, you dey hear me?
So that we will investigate.
Oga Jehu, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Person when they blow whistle, when no carry facts come out. Person when they blow whistle, when no be EFCC. Person when they blow whistle, when no be police or ICPC.
When no bring evidence.
When no bring evidence. You think say we make with the hear and they blow that whistle?
That one cause trouble now. One cause they incite people.
Now they tell you so. You know you're the blow. He get some documents.
How we go know?
The position where in the hold.
Okay.
The position where they hold. If they get some documents where they see, well, you know that you were there when they talk, so you know they see them.
Very true.
Are you getting what I'm saying? But not until they tender these things to the court and they validate this evidence, then they will see. Bring the people to book.
Very
so
true.
maybe they encourage whistleblowers. Everybody knows that Nigerians, a lot of the politicians are very corrupt. Nobody will close eye to the corruption where the last regime pull for our eye. Everybody see them. Money where they even the Obasanjo regime too. Nobody will just close eye like that. So anybody where they blow it will say they steal money. Now will they call them out? May they come prove them. Rather than say we will say may they no talk at all. I don't support that one.
Oga Jehu, thank you very, very much. Oga Yemi, from your result, you go see say na 2-2. Two people say this, two people say that. But make I start from wetin Oga Jehu talk. Oga Jehu bin talk say, you go answer am after we take Oga Polycarp. Oga Jehu bin talk say, make we no just look, say na him talk am. make we tell am say make him bring facts come forward. Rather than say why him go dey talk and him be spokesperson of APC, make him bring facts. But now after we take Oga Polycarp from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning, sir. Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chibode.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Mr. Yemi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
You better not take the post of Ngovi.
He dey try.
Okay. Buhari, you now understand the difference between military and civilian regime. Let us try and know the difference between these two regimes. Time now pass, where did the pass the reform? Time now pass, no video again now in this regime. Let him leave the EFCC and ICT to do their job. That is their job. And then concentrate on governance. Because if you not take time, you can spend 4 years to manage to show for it. And just like the talk before, advisors, Michael Fund, received Jonathan. And they're coming his way this time around. If you not take time, something will happen to him. It's a matter of his presence. As for Lion Mohammed, he has no local standing to speak for the government. He's not the Minister of Finance. I think they were appointing to be taking that post. I think he's looking for that post. So he's a postman. And then what was happening, I get the talk, not the governance. Whatever announced his cabinet. So he's not the Minister of Finance. He has nothing to say about the issue because he cannot prove it. Then, according to the issue of Fayeshe, I like Fayeshe because it's straightforward. The time where I'm going to get the mess up. He talked his own side. And because he talked the truth, I make them impeach him. Now he don't come back. And I like his stand as it is. Let it continue. And next time, Buhari, the same way Fayeshe talking the truth. He should not go after only APC. They have only PDP. Because you continue like that. Because move on. How did they say it has made themselves to be a very strong position nowadays? And I'm working towards making it to find out everything they can do to put start for our government. It is not going to stand up and
Oga Polycarp, thank you very much. You don't hit the nail for the head.
Yeah.
Oga Yemi, we don't take all these calls. All different parts of Nigeria, Yaba, Owerri, Abuja, Enugu, you don't see say okay, people get their own opinion.
Exactly.
And when we go this break, come back, you can address all the things when they talk, especially the one when Jehu raise. When he talk, say, make we not just look the messenger, make we tell her, make him go bring facts, come out. Because whether we like them or not, money they miss. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue the talk as it is hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195. And as we do them every Monday, we go tear the nylon come out on top all the action story when happen over the weekend. We don't do that one. We don't carry 7 interesting stories come and we don't discuss all of these 7 stories. We dey take calls, people they call to chook mouth for the matter, to talk am the way when the team be them for body. We get another Chukwudi all the way from Aba. You be like, say this is my name, powerful. Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Oga Yemi.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi. You're welcome.
Yeah, Nkubi no day today.
I don't tire to the talk. Nkubi, they go find wife for her for village.
Okay.
Now, Mango, you talk before, though.
The Mango na the wife.
Nah, don't be your wife, not the Mango again. Oga Chukwudi, for this matter when they talk, you know, say me I won't talk. Well, who I won't talk about na our president Oga Buhari. You know, say for Jonah government, not be only Jonah run that government.
Okay.
Although say I be the head of that government, but now every person they talk say Jonah. So nobody they talk all the people will follow and run that government. So Oga Buhari, if anything will happen, making no anything will happen to this government. Now like that where they talk. Now like that where they talk Oga Jonah. Now him they go call Okwa. So whether APC spokesperson this other person, anywhere where all these things come from, nine Nigerians go hold accountable. So for Oga Buhari, now you get this whole talk. Now you get to make whether a government go better, whether it no go better, whether it go dey good for our people. And make you no forget, say, Nigerians, they expect too much from as an elderly person. We they expect change. That change we would they shout for. We want to they see them. And for the issue of this probe of 18, I really believe, say, Oga Buhari, you get waiting for do this thing where no really, my mind no really sweet well. Like the second caller talk, say, to probe this government, which don't really dey in place, in go start from IBB. Because now waiting in promise us for campaign. I do with a winning come campaign. I hear him. I talk everything. So this one when he come the meeting, you know, say when he come talk about Obasanjo can use PTA fund, they threaten him. He can go back. Not say that one. Now if you go be like say in the fear. Now concentrate all the probe, all the government who don't come before Jonah, they never talk about any person. Now Jonah government. So
Okachukwu, what you they talk now be say if they go probe, make them probe everybody.
Everybody starting from beginning. I'm not against. I support what they do, making baggy their hand, collect all the money from this country, all the money where they don't do for this country, making collect all of them. Because if income starts from Oga to Jonah, because of the small threatening what Obasanjo don't give at that time, he can't go back. They can't get meeting, secret meeting, with Oga Obasanjo. Obasanjo can't say, if he talk about them, he go back.
Okachukwu, the very important point where you don't raise. The probe must go round. Thank you very much. And we get another person when they on top of the telephone line when they wait. One of our Ogbonge callers all the way from Abuja, Oga Igo. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Oga Shukudi, the man of integrity.
Thank you very much. My hands are clean.
Good morning. Our guest in the studio, I greet you, sir.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Where Ukubi, the controversial man?
Ukubi go village.
No, no, Allah. Oga Shukudi, onto the matter. They say, according to the last caller we talked just now, if you want to fight corruption, start from back. Because where God won't die, God died for all our sin.
Jesus, will not be God. Jesus,
Jesus and me. So
I go church.
If Buhari is our savior, he won't come save Nigeria, and he say he won't fight corruption, let it start, from those people who don't steal our money before. According to the guest where they for studio, he talk one thing when he sweet me well for body. He say, Lai Mohammed go always come to say 1 trillion miss. 1 billion miss, this one miss, just they deceive Nigeria, but he never come one day, come this studio, say the money he miss, he can't show us paper when he be say, see the money when he miss, see the way they miss, see the Tifa, because I believe, anytime when he comes studio, he go come talk, go, and if I want to come, and they get him, because sometimes he go mislead Nigeria, so at times when he come, when they quote money, because they answer about the fast, say, where the money go, where the paper, make it not mislead people, I beg. Then onto the Boko Haram issue, I believe very soon with this effort, where the military they go now, with the new equipment they say they go bring in now, I believe, although they're not going to finish Boko Haram, but at least we are going to quench, the military is going to quench Boko Haram.
Oga Igo, we thank you, say, after all this time when we say you try get us, where you don't get us, you don't make this very, very important point. I beg, we take God beg you. Continue to watch as they hot. All of una, make una they call to the Chukma for this matter because now una program. Oga Yemi, time don't reach for you to just join everything where people don't talk together based on all these our stories. Hit them for the head.
You see, I don't talk them. I don't talk them before. Say if one thief come your house yesterday, another one come day before yesterday, and another one come 3 days ago. You no go say now only the one will come yesterday now in the gate.
Thief na thief.
All of them na thief. So if this thing go dey fear, make Oga Buhari prove everybody. Make them not to make us feel say now only Oga Jonah na him be the epitome of corruption for Nigeria. Na lie. APC they corrupt.
This one
PDP they corrupt.
Okay.
All of them are
this
corrupt.
This one you call party, make you just talk say people when they lead this country.
Make them program.
Okay.
Make them when they probe them. Oga Gani Fayemi don't talk him before he die.
The late Gani.
Yes. I see him for television when he they talk before he passed. See all the government None of them is clean. Now he talk before he die.
But you notice, make we start from here because the black ladies Oga Jonah government, the one where they keep fresh.
You don't know the thing where they talk. They fit start anywhere they like.
But where may they start from? May they start from this one?
If they fit start from Jonah.
Now we want to. You don't
know the problem there. Then they carry as if say na Jonah na the how do we call it?
Na the Oga of corruption.
Na the one wey create corruption for Nigeria.
So what you dey try talk be say make he president probe everybody.
Focus on
make him start from anywhere where he want like. But make nobody they come and they talk about say na
only Jonah be the corrupt person. APC no there corrupt people there. When they get all the money where they take sponsor Oga Buhari go become president.
Then they do business now.
Which business? All of them are politicians.
People contribute money now.
Which money? Like your own money, they take by private jet when they fly them all over the country. Now the money where you contribute. I bet maybe we don't deceive ourselves. All corruption there everywhere. Make Oga President Buhari make him leave the job of corruption to EFCC and ICPC. You understand?
Make they do their work.
Make they do their work. Make you know they don't blow unnecessary noise over politics, over our life. And the life of our children because and the generation to come.
Some of this talk fit cause problem.
It's just politics. Let them do this. Look, let me tell you something.
You don't begin to speak English.
I don't talk English. I don't talk English. I beg. You see, the thing where we want, you understand? You see, this is governor. This one are governor. Governors. Make them give this thing to the people where they do. Make Oga Buhari, President Buhari, come sit down. Tell us the thing where he go do. Obafemi Awolowo, before when he dey campaign, he go tell you say he go give you free education. He go tell you give you free health care. He go tell you how many jobs he go give you. Do you understand?
Oga Yemi, you don't talk this matter.
Make Oga Buhari tell us the thing where you want to do for Nigeria. Make it a drum.
But time no day, and we need to go. But this talk where you start, I dey very sure say we go still talk am again.
Exactly.
Make you know talk am on top of our serious. Say Nigeria and our country, e no go spoil. Even though we get different talk for our mouth, say you talk go PDP, you talk go APC, or you talk go any political party. At the end of the day, all of us must talk one talk as one Nigeria. All the kind talk when they talk when fit cause problem for our country, make we know they talk am. Make we only talk the things when go move our country go forward. All of us agree say people don't chop money, and government now their responsibility to collect all this money back. Oga Yemi, thank you very much for coming to Asi the Hot.
Thank you, Chukwudi. Thank you very much. Very hot, very hot.
Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out. Plenty smoke. This na Asi the Hot. Una bye bye.
Bye bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.